What is going on, my dudes? Oh my god, I got some special motorcycles in front of me, and I got the keys to both. Look at that. The Panigale and the Street Fighter. Both are mine for the next hour, or however long I decide. However long this video takes me. But regardless, I am here because I want to compare the brand new 2020 Street Fighter V4S to the brand new 2020 V4S Panigale. Two different bikes, but very, very similar. Let's start off with the Panigale first. The Panigale is a race-derived V4 engine. It has an 1103cc engine. The displacement on it is a 4-cylinder, and the output on this is 1103cc, giving it a total brake horsepower of 214. I unleashed this on my V4S video. All the bits and bobs and all the bits and pieces are reviewed on that video, so I'm not going to give you too much detail here, but you can go ahead and check out that video if you want some more detail. Aside from that, this bike has full fairings, and it's basically a race bike for the street, put it that way. It's got these wings. The V4R has the carbon fiber wings, but they put the plastic ones on these. Not only that, but it produces a shit ton of downforce at a ridiculous amount of speed, which you and I probably will never do. But regardless, this bike is a very capable machine. And aside from that, there were a lot of people that wanted a naked version of this. So guess what Ducati did? They created a naked version, a hyper naked for that matter, which has the same engine as the Ducati V4S. Now, the engine on this is pretty much the same exact thing. It's the same Desmo Sedici engine. However, the difference between this bike, the Street Fighter, is that this has 208 horsepower versus the 214 on that. I think they strategically did it that way because they wanted the race bike, or the bike that has the fairings that is meant for the track, to have a little bit more horsepower. They probably already know that someone who buys this kind of bike is probably not going to be interested as much as taking it on the racetrack as they will be with the V4S. The kind of person that would buy this kind of bike is interested in having a lot of smiles on their face. The kind of person who would buy this bike likes lunacy, and that includes myself. And it's meant for a serious racetrack with a guy or a girl who knows what they're doing. With this bike, for that matter, you can be on the street and have a shit ton of fun and potentially get in a lot of trouble, but you will always have a smile on your face. Now, I'm not saying that you won't have a smile on your face when you're riding the V4S. Talking about myself here, I've ridden this motorcycle and the V4R variant, and the giggle factor is extremely high with this bike. All I did was giggle the entire time, but regardless, this bike is a pretty serious bike compared to this bike, and what makes the Street Fighter great is that it looks bonkers crazy just looking at this thing. It's a naked bike. You could see the engine. Just like the Panigale series, the bike does not have a frame. The engine is the frame of the bike itself. Everything bolts onto the engine. It's a pretty trick system that they have. And of course, Ducati being Ducati, the crazy mad Italian manufacturer that they are, They've put space thrusters on this bike. They put rocket launchers on this bike. I mean, look at it. The face looks like a Joker's face. They call this a Joker's front face. I don't exactly know what Ducati calls this, but they call this a Joker face, and I can see where they got that design from. And I think it looks absolutely beautiful. But the reason why I said that they put space thrusters and rocket ships on this bike is because of these wings. Who would ever think about putting wings? Who would ever think about putting wings on a naked bike like this? Well, Ducati, of course. You know why? Because they're mad Italians. They're a German company now. They're owned by a German company. They let the Germans do all the electronics and the bits and bobs, and then the Italians, as good as they are, what they do is design. And they've taken this design aspect and they've put these wings. At 168 miles an hour, this gives it 28 kilograms of downforce. Who in their right mind would do 168 miles an hour on a naked? I don't know, but there is someone that's going to do that. And guess what? These little wings over here, 4 of them, 4. You get 2 more than you would on a race bike. So these 4 wings are probably going to save your butt from, you know, kicking the wheel up or going sideways or whatever. They're there for a reason. If you see wings on a Ducati, it's meant to do something, and it's meant for aerodynamics, of course, and who knows what else that the mad Italians have set this bike up for. But regardless, it's a sensational looking bike. I already have the review, so if you haven't checked out that review, make sure to check it out. If you haven't seen the review, I'll put a link in the description. So the next thing to do, of course, is to turn these bikes on one by one and let you hear the exhaust note. Let's start off first with the V4S. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that sounds so good. Oh, it sounds so delicious. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit, then we're gonna give it a few revs. This bike is so macho. Love it. A little walk around for you guys. Let you hear the engine from different angles. Alright, you guys ready for some revs? Let me get on this side. Alright, take note of what this sounds like, because next we're going to go to the Street Fighter V4S. Here we go. I'll kick it up to about 7,000 RPM. I don't want to cause too much of a ruckus. Alright, let's move on to the Street Fighter. Letting it warm up a little bit, just like the V4S. Sounds different, but you be the judge. Oh, sounds so good. I'm not even riding this bike and I'm already like laughing. I'm already giggling. Oh, sounds so good. Alright, you guys ready for like an orgy of Ducati sounds? Here we go. I love this job. I don't know, it's not a job, but I love what I do. So much fun. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Can I have the key to the V4S? Sure. Can I have the key to the Street Fighter? Sure. Oh, this is great. Oh, what a symphony of sound. Alright, I'm gonna go to each bike, stick my face next to the exhaust, and I want you to hear the difference. See the things I'm doing for you guys here? See the love I'm giving you guys? You guys gotta give the love back by subscribing to the channel, please. Symphony of Ducati sound, symphony of Italian masterpiece. All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in. I love making these videos for you guys. Trust me, I'm having so much fun. This is a lot of fun, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Please give this video a like. Without you guys, there's no reason for me to be doing this, so if you subscribe to my channel, my viewership is going to grow. It tells the algorithms that I'm doing a good job, and every single like that you give it gives a signal to YouTube that says, this guy is doing a good job, promote him, give him more viewers. Everybody wins in the end, and I keep doing what I'm doing, and you guys keep watching great, absolutely great content. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Let's turn these bad boys off one by one. But before we do that, one more rev for each one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.